Yeah? Whoa! Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa! Slide. Slide. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Wow, look at that cornice that broke apart. Woo! Oh shit. Don't go this way. Wow.
You got all your gear?
Yeah. Holy fuck.
Are you okay?
I'm all good. Dude, it was like a good 2 foot crown broke off.
I saw the whole thing, man.
Oh,
All right?
yeah.
All right.
Very lucky there wasn't a tree there.
I pulled over to watch you ride it, and right as I turned around, the whole face cracked all around you. I was...
Yeah. Huh?
Rich just got a nice ride.
Dude.
Now you can tell people you've been in an avalanche.
Yeah.